Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hit the fabulous Las Vegas without emptying your wallet. Yes, you heard that right. You can experience the glitz and glamour of Vegas without breaking the bank. Yes, it's possible, and I'm here to guide you through it. From affordable accommodations to budget-friendly dining and entertainment, we've got you covered. So buckle up for some savvy, budget-friendly travel tips in the City of Lights. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, these tips will help you make the most of your trip without spending a fortune. First things first, let's talk accommodation. Finding a place to stay that won't drain your budget is crucial. Vegas has a range of options, but if you're looking to save, consider staying off the Strip. The hotels off the Strip are often just as comfortable and offer great amenities. Places like the Tuscany Suites or the Orleans Hotel offer great amenities at a fraction of the cost of those big-name hotels on the Strip. You'll still be close enough to all the action without paying premium prices. Plus, they often provide free shuttle service to the main attractions. This can save you a lot on transportation costs, allowing you to spend more on experiences. Now, on to food. Because let's face it, we all love good eats without the steep prices. Vegas is known for its culinary scene, but you don't have to dine at high-end restaurants to enjoy delicious meals. Ditch the expensive sit-down meals and opt for the many food courts scattered around. These food courts offer a variety of cuisines at affordable prices. They offer delicious options that won't break the bank. From pizza to Asian cuisine, you'll find something to satisfy your taste buds without overspending. For a hidden gem, check out Tacos El Gordo. They serve up some of the best tacos you'll find anywhere in the city. Their authentic Mexican flavors are a hit among locals and tourists alike. What's Vegas without a show? The entertainment scene here is legendary. You don't have to miss out on the entertainment just because you're on a budget. There are plenty of ways to enjoy world-class shows without paying full price. Look for discount ticket booths like Tix4 Tonight, where you can score last-minute show tickets for a fraction of the original price. These booths offer tickets to a variety of shows from magic acts to musical performances. Who knows? You might just end up seeing one of the top shows for half the cost. It's a great way to experience the vibrant entertainment scene without overspending. And let's not forget the free attractions. Vegas is home to some incredible sights that won't cost you a penny. The Bellagio fountains and the Mirage volcano are must-sees, and guess what? These iconic attractions are completely free to enjoy. They won't cost you a dime. These spectacular displays are a perfect way to experience the magic of Vegas without spending any money. Take a stroll down the Strip in the evening and enjoy these spectacular displays. The lights, the energy, and the atmosphere are all part of the Vegas experience. For those of you who love a little adventure, consider hiking at Red Rock Canyon. This natural wonder is just a short drive from the city and offers a refreshing break from the hustle and bustle. It's just a short drive from the city and offers breathtaking views and trails for all skill levels. And the best part? The scenery is absolutely stunning, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers. The entrance fee is only a few bucks, way cheaper than any slot machine you'll find. It's an affordable way to enjoy the great outdoors and get some exercise. Lastly, remember to set a gambling budget if you plan to hit the casinos. Gambling can be fun, but it's important to stay within your limits. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement, so decide on what you're willing to spend ahead of time and stick to it. This way you can enjoy the thrill of the games without any financial regrets. There you have it, folks. These tips will help you enjoy Las Vegas without breaking the bank. Las Vegas is truly a city where you can make the most out of every dollar. With a little bit of planning and some smart choices, you can have an unforgettable experience. With a little bit of planning and these tips, you'll be able to enjoy all the glitz and glam without the financial stress. So, go ahead, explore and have fun. So pack your bags and maybe, just maybe, what happens in Vegas won't have to stay in your bank statement. Enjoy your trip and make the most of every moment. Until next time, keep traveling smart. Safe travels, everyone.